Hello guys, welcome to Chess Journey. Today we are going to see solid defense against e4 move, which is Caro-Kann defense. It is defined by moves e4 and c6. Most of the time chess player go for e4 move followed by 2-knight defense. So in this scenario, if you don't want to play symmetrical e5 response and want to play something different but solid enough to control the board, then you should go for Caro-Kann defense. In this video, we are going to examine some common possibilities in Caro-Kann defense and how to develop solid structure for the endgame. The main line of Caro-Kann is e4, c6, d4, d5, and more likely both sides will be facing equal game. Also both can go for exchange variation e cross d5, c cross d5, and further continue with bishop to d3 or taking out the king's knight or direct attack on d5 pawn by playing c4. But after a second move, it is better for white to take out minor pieces rather than exchanging pawns. Usually queen's knight on c3 or d2 is played. Knight to d2 move will block the dark square bishop. So knight to c3 is quite good move. Here if you stick with development, then the variation goes like knight f6, knight f3, bishop g4 pinning knight, bishop e2 supporting move, e6, bishop g5, bishop e7 symmetrical response. Both sides castle on king side. In this position development is quite equal, but because of c6 move, black has nice connected pawn structure. Back to third move, we can capture the e4 pawn to make a breakthrough, and this line have some traps to win a minor piece. Continue with knight cross e4, knight f6 developing king's knight. Here white has two options, take back the knight on c3 or capture the knight on f6. Taking back the knight will give development lead to black, so usually white will capture the knight on f6. Recapturing with g-pawn will give open file for rook, but black can't castle on king side. And queen side castle will place black's king in open position, as the c and d pawns are no longer on origin. Therefore e cross f6 taking knight back. After this, white can continue with taking out bishops or king's knight, but e file is open, thus white has to clear out king side for castle. So bishop to c4, queen e7 check. Here if white ignores the open queen's diagonal and blocks the check with knight, then queen to b4 check and the bishop is gone. Another possibility in Caro-Kann defense is white can control the d5 square by moving pawn on c4. d5 move as per the main line, pawn exchange, c cross d5. Here instead of capturing pawn with queen, you should keep up with developing king's knight on f6. Clearly white is a pawn up, but also has double pawns on d file. To keep up with development, white should give up the extra pawn and continue with knight to f3. The variation goes like knight cross d5 taking pawn back, knight c3, knight c6, d4, bishop g4 pinning knight, bishop to e2 supporting move, e6, white castle on king side, bishop to d6, rook e1, black castle on king side. And by this both sides have equal development, but black has solid position with nice bishop pair eyeing on white's king side, and the queen also have open diagonal to join the forces. Most common passive reply to Caro-Kann defense is two knights variation. The main line is e4, c6, knight c3, d5, knight f3. This will allow to advance pawn on d4 and knight has to go back. Black can continue with forming pawn chain by c5 followed by b6, or one can continue with developing minor pieces. In this position, if white continue with knight to a4, then play e5, supporting d4 pawn, also clearing path for dark square bishop. Here white has to make double moves to make a space for a4 knight. And on alternative turns, black can rapidly develop the position. Back to e5 move, if white aggressively captures the e5 pawn with knight, then b5, and the a4 knight has no safe square left. And on next move, black will gain extra minor piece. Overall, in every variation you can see that Caro-Kann defense does not create any early attacking chances, but builds a solid structure. And by making use of that solid structure, one can have upper hand in the endgame. For better endgame results, Caro-Kann defense is a perfect weapon against e4 move. You should really try this defense. If you really enjoyed the video, then don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon. Before leaving, here is a quick puzzle for you. It's black to move and mate. Try to answer this in comment section below. Thank you for watching. Bye.